Yo boys, welcome back to another video. A beginner trader going from zero to max allocation in the first year of trading. Look, it's day something I cannot remember at this point, but yo, I keep on pushing and we do not stop. Last week we went on tilt and I blew all the accounts. This week I've come back stronger than ever. So far this week we're up WWWW 2R plus 1R yesterday. Flying, bro. I mean, ironically, if I was using the similar risk as I was using the whole challenge, Wednesday we would have passed, because originally when I first started this I was risking $500 a trade, so that would have been 500 to 1,000, another 2,000, and then 3,000, and we'd have literally been funded this Wednesday. But it is what it is. I've halved my risk, and I've decided this week, because I blew all my accounts last week and my psychology started to go out the window, halved my risk, right? Meaning I'm giving myself more losses in the tank, meaning if I wanted to lose and blow these accounts, I would have to lose 8 trades in a row. So remember that, right? 8 trades in a row. And I understand through the data from backtesting that the possibility of that actually happening is super low, because I've never lost 8 times in a row. Ever, bruv. So, yeah, good week so far. Today's Friday. Last day of the week. Hopefully we can go get that no fucking W. End this week off fire. And everyone that's bitching around December price action, understand it's just cope. Big up to everyone watching. If you want to subscribe, if you want to like the fucking video and all that shit, do whatever. But I appreciate the comments. I do appreciate everyone dropping comments. I love to engage with every single one of you. So big up to every single one of you. And I hope everyone else is having a great week and had a good week so far. And I hope you all had a good day today. But yeah, come on the boys, let's get into it. So boys, for today's trade, I was filming and recording. I didn't manage to come in the studio in this room, right, to film the trade. So today I was sat in my car taking the trade. Now I didn't get the video, but I have got the audio. So what you may see is I'm going to put a video over so you can see me watching it back, but you'll also hear the audio of what I was saying at the time. And I'm just going to sit here, kind of watch it, and just to give a visual, just so you're not just watching a fucking chart, which is boring as fuck. But I may put some input and start and stop here and there. But a little bit different today, but yo, keep it moving nevertheless.
Right, market's just opened.
I literally pulled up to this trade 10 seconds before I opened, bro. Pulled upside at row G.
Yeah. See how big this range is for sure. So it's wicked out there. That's a big range, that. Alright, cool. So let's come up.
So price is wicking up now, it's breaking out. Now I've not entered yet because I saw there was some resistance on the left as well.
We got these zones here.
You see here
as well. Let's see.
So I made that my new resistance just to be safe.
We're gonna break it.
Boom.
Order filled.
Jeez, we are in.
I mean, right there, price just broke straight through. It didn't even give me time to give me a clean entry. That was a shit entry, to be honest with you, but I mean, there was volume behind it. If you've seen volume, and there's a lot of impulsivity in that bitch.
That's all this shit. Yeah. Let's fucking move, boys. Friday, we're up so far this week. This week so far, we were up every day. But yeah, man, shit could just retrace right now, for fuck's sake, bruv. Like I say, put this in line properly. So another hit our 1-to-1. Not quite though. Right, 1-to-1's hit. Jeez, that is crazy.
Beautiful volume. You gotta love this strategy, man.
Go on. Come on, don't edges like that. Don't edges like that. Don't edges like that. Don't edges like that. Do not edges like that. Oh, bro, do not edges like that. Imagine now. That late entry, man.
I'm holding the trade, you
That
see.
late entry, man.
I'm holding it.
It's the 1 minute now. Just gotta hold it out. There we go, go on. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling, man. Go on.
Notice how calm I am as well. I can hear
See
it
how close that
myself.
is, boys. You see how close that is?
I'm very calm. I'm not like giddy and shit. I'm just
So
chill.
close. Oh, come on. Do not do us like that. 4 pips off.
Points. 4 points.
4 pips off. You just got to be able to hold out that fucking take profit, man. Hold it. Discipline. Stick to the plan. Ah! Ah! Nah.
See this right here? It's where
Oh, you
shit to
fucking
new man would be
kidding me.
getting out. Old me would have got out now. I'd be like, oh, I just missed it.
That's just fucked.
But sticking to the plan's the important bit.
Come on now. Don't do us like that. Also, yo, boys, check out the new fucking... Oh, bro. I'm just holding out. Yeah, speaking to... Come on.
See how close it was. You can see, like, yeah.
Is he going to give us a... What, bro?
This is where discipline comes in. You've just got to, like, emotionally just be like, yo, I've seen the data over and over and over
That's why
again.
I'm just like, yo... Right.
Here I'm just seeing if there's any other liquidity that, like...
Come on, there we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Boom.
Bosh, W.
This week we've made 3.2k, 83% win rate. We only lost 1 trade. We won off. So we've taken 6 trades this week, lost 1. And yeah, we've had a 100% win rate because obviously we've won every day. Average trade duration, 5 minutes, 27 seconds. But imagine that. Making racks for 5 minutes on average a day is nuts, isn't it? And yeah, most profitable day is Tuesday. Least profitable was Thursday. Now remember this guy, Michael Watson 8050. He told me on Wednesday I was going to lose on Thursday. And then he told me on Thursday, he says, I'm happy to see you escaped. Apparently I escaped yesterday. Tomorrow is another day. You know how Friday goes. Even Mamba don't trade on Friday. Well then. Do you know when just some shit just don't have to be said? But another day, another dollar. See you next week, boys. Keep it fucking smashing. Get back testing. If you're a bitch and you're hesitant to your entries, if you can't hold your trades, and if you're doing some bullshit, just go back test. That's what I'm going to be doing over and over again. And we've won every single day this week. But yeah, beautiful week. We could potentially pass this account next week. Now, the only sad thing is, because of the AWS outage, this day on Tuesday was fucked. It blew one of my accounts and it also didn't fully take profit on one of my accounts, but on the other account, it took full profit. But on this account, it blew the account and then it reinstated. So I have to make a bit more on them, unfortunately. So they're not all going to pass at the same time. But I could pass this account next week. I mean, as you can see here, we've made 3.2k. If I bought this account on Monday, I would have actually passed today. The other account, what we on that? We need another 2,000. So again, 4 winning trades next week in a row. I've passed that one. And then the other one, that'll be probably like New Year. So keep it moving, boys.